following you, by the way.
These are probably the real players.
They do look pretty real. They have ZBZ gear. Come south with me. Come south. Come south. Come south. Come south. Come south. Come south.
I mean, I've only clicked shitters so far.
Come south.
Hang on, I gotta put on my gamer socks.
Holy
Okay.
shit, I forgot
Yo,
Siphon.
dismount
Oh,
me here.
right.
Dismount me here. Dismount me here. You just pop your food. Pop your food. I don't know if this is even real yet, so don't pop those.
These are all
Come on, just
shitters.
those.
Okay. Someone popped OC for no reason. That's not my fault.
Who is it?
Come watch with me. I don't know who it was, but I heard an OC click, so come watch with me. I'm gonna catch this motherfucker.
Wait, they're running, bro. What the fuck?
I caught him, and you guys didn't catch him. Come on, catch him, please.
Bro,
There
not the
we
one
go.
guy. Why are you going for the one guy?
Guardian from your east.
Yo, come south, come
Mob
south, come
squad.
south. Yo, come south. Just come south.
Now they're mounted.
That was Spiffy Spider.
We got limb zoning
Below
in.
right now.
Come east with me. Come east. Just stay dismounted. Come east. Come east. Oh, they're coming at us, so that's something. Keep coming east here.
I think they're going to the outpost again.
Yo. Find the choke.
Role plays
Oh,
fight.
no.
They're coming to us. Come east. Keep coming east. Stay dismounted. Stay dismounted. Garrity, you're gonna. Oh, they're dismounted. Yo, Garrity, you're gonna go east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, catch whatever until they dismount. Catch whatever now. Catch whatever right now. Catch whatever. Catch all these guys here. Catch all these guys here. Keep going south. Oh, that's a Gucci guy. I like what I see. Keep going south. Keep going south here. Keep going south. Yo, follow me. There's a full 4.3 masterpiece guy right on Spiffy. Spiffy, you see him, right? Yeah, that guy. Catch him. Give me that.
Bridgewatch coming in the back.
Yo, come west. Can I get a Grove holding my east? But everyone else come west. Everyone come west.
What the
Yo,
fuck
get it. You're
are
gonna full
you
catch up west.
wearing,
4, 3,
Fisher?
2, 1. Just full catch up west. Whatever you can catch here. Full catch up west. Keep going southwest. Full catch him here. Just full catch whatever you can. Keep going west. Come down.
You're all so bad.
Keep going down.
Wait, Fisher, don't get off my screen. You're juicy.
Keep going
Where are you?
west.
Where are you?
I'm fine, don't worry.
Come back.
I'm holding the rear, boys.
I got him. He's really Gucci. Catch him. Full catch him. Don't let him leave. He's flat 4.
It's Gucci. Flat wall.
Yo, keep going west. Wait, did the actual Zerg just zone out? Because they just got bigger. Yo, come north with me. Come north. Come directly north with me here. Come directly north with me here. Keep going north. Come down this hill. We're gonna just. Oh, there's Kalian. You can actually just go east. Come back up and come east. Keep going east. They're just leaving. Keep going south. Gary, you gonna go southeast in 5, southeast in 4, 3, 2, 1. Just catch whatever. Catch whatever here. Catch this small clump here. Keep catching. Let's see if this Kalian wants to come to us. Just keep going east. Keep going. Kalian's coming to us. Keep going east here.
Guardian's coming.
Keep going east. Are they deblobbed? Come south here. Blacklist, okay. Alright, we're gonna full send into Kalian if they
They're
just
all
spawn.
mounted.
Keep going south. Just keep going south. Keep going. Is Bridgewater in our back right now? Yo, come west down this hill. Come up the hill. Come up the hill now. Come up the hill. Ready, you go full catch northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full catch everything here. Full catch. Full catch on Spiffy here. On Spiffy. Catch whatever Spiffy got for you. Catch whatever Spiffy got for you. Keep going north. Keep going north. Keep going north. Keep going north. Some of them are just mounted here. Keep going north. Keep going north. Keep going north. Okay, yo, come south down this hill. Come south on the hill. Come south on the hill. Down the hill. Guys, I need you to come south down this hill. Guys, on ping here. On ping here.
Bomber coming in.
Guys, come on. Keep come south down the hill. Come south. Come. Just kill this guy here. Kill this guy. Q and W. Q and W. Q and W him. Come south all the way down this hill. Q and W this guy here. Keep going south. Keep going south. Keep going south. Keep going south.
More. Lemurs is dismounted.
Okay, you know what? Fuck them first. We're gonna mount them now. We're gonna mount up here. Mount up on me. Actually, wait. There's another kill up here. Gotta go southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You on this rat here. On this rat. I caught him. I caught the rat. Delete that rat there. Delete that. Don't let that rat mount or get away. All right, you're gonna full mount here. All right, start coming west with me.
Yo, Valion, can you mark Jigsaw?
Yeah.
Come west with me here. Right now it doesn't really matter because it's really just shitters we're fighting.
Yeah, just in case.
Is everyone mounted or?
Yeah, mount and come west. Mount and come west here.
I think we merged with more Sterling. I think.
Oh,
Yeah, we have a random blob inside of us.
keep coming west with me here. Keep coming west. Zone west on contact.
Did no one died, right? Like they didn't attack,
No.
right?
Well, first party nobody died, so
No, second party, nobody died.
Yeah, didn't think so.
I mean there was like two clappers. I think there was a bridal clapper and there was
The bridled did a whopping 1 bar to me with his E.
He didn't stack, and he
come
wasn't
northwest
letter.
with me. Come northwest.
I gotta leave comms. I'll just follow along.
Got in trouble for talking.
Come northwest with me here. See what this other watch has to offer. Sultan.
Fuck you.
Get that carry weight off that damn boots.
Oh, sorry. I just transporting
So
something.
northwest.
You really got hot guys like that, huh?
Yeah, I guess I do.
I don't even be looking at shit like that.
You know, zone southeast. Zone back
You
southeast.
be talking about people's passive.
Zone back southeast. Zone back. Come northeast here. Once you zone back to broken, come northeast.
Jigsaw dismount. Catch this Lemurs.
Oh.
Dismount.
Where's Suffered at? Come back northeast here.
You got him, bro. Come on, let's do this, bro.
Bruh.
Bruh.
Zone
Bruh.
northeast on contact. Zone northeast. Once you zone, come southeast with me. Ooh, actually no. Yeah, come southeast. Underway. We got one fights. I think this is the next fight though. It's probably the last fight. It's gonna be in Craig, or no, Malag. Oh, look at what they just captured. Keep going southeast. Zone southeast on contact here. Zone southeast. Once you zone in, come east underway here. Once you get to the underway, just zone in contact. Come north with me here.
Bridge Watch versus Limp Horse in Malag. If you didn't. Watch out, Gala. Oh, it's Carlian versus Fair Sterling versus Limp.
And Malag.
Yeah,
Oh shit, let's go then. Come north.
it was. They all wiped by Carlian.
Zone north on contact here. Come northeast with me here. Is the Killian bomb on northeast or did they zone out already?
I think it's Carlian.
Where are they?
Yeah, that's Carlian.
On the east?
Carlian on the northeast side. Northeast block.
Come east with me here.
See, it's black.
Yeah,
Okay.
it was red for me though, so I didn't know. It
Yeah,
was just some random bomb.
one
Yeah,
second.
restart your Albion.
Keep coming east.
It keeps switching colors for me. I'm not gonna
Yeah,
lie.
yeah, me too.
It's like it was like black a second
Come east.
ago. Now it's red.
Alright, let's follow them. Let's just see
Oh,
if they want to fight somewhere. So
they
northeast.
have a full comp.
Yeah, they have an actual ZVC comp. That's why I'm wondering if they want to fight. Come east. Don't catch them because I want to see because I want them to actually put up a fight. So don't catch them. Just try because I actually have a fight here. I don't want to actually just because we've been running around for like 20 minutes now. Let's try and get a fight. Zone southeast. They're running to tunnel, so that's a good sign so far. At least I think they are. Oh, they're deblobbed.
I think they can hold the death choke.
That's what they're gonna do.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Like from their comp, it looked like they can hold the death choke. So.
Did they zone into the tunnel yet, or?
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah, they don't. They don't.
I'm gonna try and maybe stretch this fight long. Or I could, if I really wanted to, I could just full push them. But I don't want to do that. Zone southwest on contact. Are they gonna do that choke or?
They keep
They're
going.
running. Yeah, they're running.
Well,
Yeah, they're not stopping for some reason. X.
Alright,
I don't think they want to fight. Yeah, I don't think they want to fight.
alright, come southwest. Zone southwest. Alright, here's your last effort. Are they gonna hold the gate? Is that what they want to do? Come northwest with me.
I think they want to go to bed. They want to go sleep. They're running. They're running home.
Yeah. I'm gonna see if it's in Birkenfeld. Once there's like if nothing in Birkenfeld, we're just gonna go home. Zone into Mog, by the way. Come southwest. Zone southwest. On contact here. Zone southwest. This is
It's us.
Jerome Blom. Okay. Alright, well that's probably gonna wrap up then, because there's really no one else to fight. Alright, come back northeast. We're going home.